Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into drilling. Drilling is a key machining process in PCB manufacturing, which mainly drills holes of different specifications on substrates for two purposes. First, making plated through holes PTH to realize interlayer electrical conduction of multi-layer PCBs via electroplating. Second, processing, mounting, locating holes for component fixation and board assembly, divided into mechanical and laser drilling by precision requirements. Mechanical drilling uses high-speed drill bits for conventional apertures and general PCBs. Laser drilling relies on high-temperature laser ablation to make microscale holes, suitable for high-precision products like HDI boards and flexible PCBs. Hole accuracy and aperture consistency directly determine PCB's conduction performance and assembly compatibility, serving as a key step to ensure product yield.